Hi guys, it's Trevor here. Today we're making stir-fry udon noodles with chicken. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Let's get started. Here is the udon noodles we're using for this recipe. You can get it from the Asian market or the local store if you're lucky. The noodles in this package are actually already cooked and then frozen before packaging them. I don't know how to pronounce these three Chinese characters in Japanese, but in Mandarin pronounced as 暂起风. Here are the rehydrated shitake mushrooms. The dry shitake mushroom need to be soaked for at least 2 hours or put in the fridge for overnight. Remember, don't throw this water away, we will need them to make the cooking sauce. Squeeze the water out before cutting your shitake mushrooms. You can also use the fresh shitake mushrooms here. Remember the shitake mushroom water I told you not to throw away? Here we're using it to make the cooking sauce. After the first side is browned, we can flip the chicken to the other side. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the onion and shiitake mushrooms in first. Add the pre-mixed cooking sauce. Using medium-high to high heat, with the lid on, cook the first side for about 3 minutes and then the other side for about 1 to 2 minutes. When there is no excess cooking sauce in the pan anymore, our noodles are ready. Alright guys, as usual, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time.